People have lost a loved one, and here at WRTV, we want to make sure those who have died from COVID-19 are remembered for their lives and their impact. Tonight, our Alyssa Donovan tells us about Lena Heffner.
She used to hold my face like this all the time. I have so many pictures where her just holding my face. I miss her smile the most.
Levia and Lena Heffner were inseparable for most of their lives.
She's more than a sister to me. She's like my everything.
The two spent time in foster homes together when they were young and have been as close as sisters could possibly be ever since.
It was me and Lena from the age of, I was 7, she was 8, until she passed away. We always lived by each other or lived together.
Lena had a lifelong struggle with asthma and started having trouble breathing last March.
She started using her inhaler frequently because she felt like her asthma was bothering her.
But then the fever started. She went to the hospital to get checked out, where she tested positive for COVID-19. Levia says her sister's health went downhill from there.
On April 3rd, the hospital called to let me know that they were putting her in an induced coma to put a breathing tube on her because she couldn't hardly breathe on her own.
Before the doctors put in the breathing tube, Lena and Levia had one last talk.
The last thing she said to me was, take care of my son. And she said, don't be scared. She said, because I believe in God. And she said, if God ready for me, she said, that's where I'm going to be.
2 weeks later, Lena Heffner died. She was 44 years old.
It's been hard on the family. It's been hard on us.
Levia is now looking after Lena's son and is honoring her sister with a new chapter of her own.
I joined school. I go to Indiana Wesleyan University online. Me and my sister never went to college, got a degree. So I'm doing this for me and her.
She plans to become a social worker to help kids in the community, a mission she knows her sister would be proud of. I'm Alyssa Donovan, WRTV.
If you've lost someone close to you with COVID-19, connect with us. We want to share their story so that those taken from us are never forgotten. You can reach us at facesofcovid@wrtv.com.